Hello guys, Birdie here. Just wanted to do a quick tutorial on the Merry and Bright sign. Just something quick to show you how to put it together and what all the pieces are for and where they lay. So this one is the original. So I'm going to kind of turn it to the side so you can see there's the black piece that is an underlay for the letters and also the wire. And then all of the lights are separate. There's a Merry and Bright letters are all separate. So let's just take a look at it as it is with pieces. So I've already started kind of painting this, and then I thought I'd just pop on and do a quick assembly video here. So I'm going to take this off. This is the base. And I painted mine green. This is just the first coat, so it looks pretty bad. Don't judge. I'm putting a second coat on it. But if I bring it up to you, you'll see the guidelines or score marks where the light and letter frame piece goes. So you can kind of see those there. Those are all scored in, so you have those for placing it centered on your sign. It has the 2 holes at top for hanging using a string. And then you have this piece, which is the letter base and lights. So that will lay here, and using that guide, you'll get it centered. So that goes down next, and then I'm painting the letters this light brown color. This is the Merry, and that's going to sit here. I have them taped down for painting purposes. And then you have the word Bright, which is going to sit here. It's kind of off kilter because it's all taped together. But all of these, after they're painted, will get glued on top of the letters that it corresponds with, right? Okay. And then the lights will come like this. I had one that's popped out, but this is what the lights come in. It's a box that helps hold them all together in transport and packaging. So when you get your kit, all you have to do is pop these out. They're held in just by a thin little piece of wood that didn't get cut. They just pop out, and then all of those will get placed on the board. Now there's 2 that are in a hidden spot or kind of hidden behind that bright sign. So light, 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 right? And then right here next to the B will go this one, and then the other partial light, let me pop that out, will go here next to the T, like that. Okay. And then, like I said, all of the other pieces you'll pop out and glue at the tips of the string of lights. Okay. So anyways, I just wanted to pop on real quick. I'm going to finish this and glue it up, and then I will share a picture of this new design. We are going for more of a neutral. I'm going to do some golds and silvers and some just light colored wood on this, and we'll see how it turns out. So there you are. That's your Merry and Bright sign. Thanks for watching, guys, and happy crafting. Bye.